Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and another video of Dart language training course. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the records in the Dart. Dart records introduced in Dart 3 are a powerful feature that allows you to bundle multiple objects into a single value. They offer a concise and efficient way to work with structured data without need for creating custom classes. Records in Dart have these key characteristics. Anonymous. They don't have a specific name associated with them. Immutable. Once created, their value cannot be changed. Aggregate. They combine multiple values into a single object. Fixed size. The number of elements is determined at creation. Heterogeneous. They can contain different types of data. And typed. Each field in a record has a specific type. Alright, let's talk about benefits of using records. Conciseness. Records avoid creating classes for simple data structure. Multiple return values. Functions can return multiple values easily. Type safety. Unlike collections, records maintain type information for each field. Immutability promotes safer and more predictable code. Open up dartpad.dev website and let's start coding. A record is created using parentheses, and as I said, records can contain different values. For example, var simple record equals 1 a 5.5 and format the code. And you can also create named records. For example, var named record equals x colon 1 y colon a and z colon 5.5 and b colon true. And you can declare the record with the type of variables. For example, int x and string y. Other record equals x10 and y hello. Print simple record, print named record, and print other record. I run the code, and now you can see the values and structure of our first record's variables. Alright, let's talk about accessing record fields. I will create a simple record and then talk about it. Var record equals John 25 5.5 and true. I format the code. For positional fields, use $sign syntax. To access the first value, use $sign in this way and continue in the same way for the next values. Print record point $1, print record $2, and print record $3. I'm sorry. I run the code and you can see the values in the output. And print record $4. I run the code again and you can see all the values in the output. And for named fields, use dot notation. I remove these statements var name the record equals user name John and age 25. Print named record dot username and print named record dot age. I run the code and you can see the values. Alright, let's talk about the records equality. The records are equal if they have the same shape and their corresponding fields have the same values. For example, var record 1 equals 1 and a, and var record 2 equals 1 a, and var record 3 equals 1 b. Print record 1 equals record 2 and print record 1 equals record 3. I run the code and you can see the values. Because the first record is the same as the second record, the first print returns a true value. And because the first record is not equal to the third record, the second print returns a false value. Very well. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will see you in the next video.